Keep it coming back slowly. A little more to the left. Okay, hold it right there. Watch your step on this side. Got it? Bring it down slow.
Keep the pace up. We have a large shipment coming in.
Yes, prioritizing the larger ones now.
Check the pressure on regulator 3. It's running high.
Acknowledged. Adjusting flow now.
The yield rate is still climbing.
And the temperature is stable.
This new system is fantastic.
While manufacturing continues, veterinary professionals continuously monitor and treat the frogs to ensure their health and well-being at every stage.
Only after full recovery and health clearance does the process move forward. Reading stable at 52.35 grams.
The output on line 3 is still lagging behind target.
I see that. We need to adjust the flow rate here to compensate.
Agreed. Let's monitor it closely.
Make sure this one is flush with the edge, B. Got it, A. Securing it down. Check lot 42 on the manifest before you seal that one.
you look closely at this section, the patina effect is exactly what we discussed.
I see that. The consistency across the hide is impressive.
Yeah.
The textured finish provides excellent grip, but the smooth surface really highlights the color.
Keep the tension steady on your side. All right, watching it now, looks good.
The textured grain on the brown leather is key here. Yes.
Yes, and the green lining provides that perfect contrast we discussed.
A modern factory where advanced machinery and skilled workers deliver efficiency at every step.
This stitching on the handle meets the standard.
Good. The clasp alignment here is perfect as well.